Yumo is changing the way you move by helping you get where you need to go, simpler and faster. With Yumo, you can now purchase transit passes and board the bus using a reloadable smart card or the Yumo app on your smartphone. Not sure how to get where you're headed? No problem. The Yumo app offers a personalized travel experience that helps people move around their cities and towns. To start, download the free Yumo Mobility app from your App Store. Once you create an account, you can begin planning your trip. Explore. You can use the Yumo app in multiple ways to plan your end-to-end journey or find nearby transit stops and stations. Pay. With Yumo app, you have the option of contactless payment. You can buy passes or add money to your account right from your phone. Look for the My Wallet icon for a list of available pass options to purchase in your area. If you'd rather have a bus pass or fare card to hold on to, visit your nearest transit center to buy a pass using your payment of choice. To reload your Yumo smart card, visit yumopass.com or your local transit center. In some cities, you can also reload your card at participating retail locations. Be sure to register your card on the Yumo Pass website or the Yumo Pass app to back up your card's funds to your account in case it's lost or stolen. Go. Once you have your bus pass, you simply tap your Yumo smart card on the card reader. Or use the QR code from your phone, which you can scan on the reader when you board. Make sure your QR code is lined up within the 4 hash marks on the screen. Yumo. Simple solutions, seamless journeys.